Welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. And today we're at Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee, Florida to check out the 2022 Mecum Kissimmee Auto Auction and Car Show. It's a big event that we look forward to, so we're going to check out what's going to go on the auction block. It's an indoor-outdoor show, live auction, entertainment, lots of things to check out and do, food court. So right off the bat, we were there when they started offloading some of the cars. Looks like a 57 Chevy Bel Air. It's got a nice rumble to it. And they have covered exhibition areas and uncovered exhibition areas. That's the main building right there, and there's the auctioneers. And that's a 2013 Chevy Camaro kit, made to look like a 69 Chevy Chevelle. Resto mods were everywhere to be seen. Another Chevelle. Looks like a 72, maybe 71. And there is the brand new 2021 new Ford Bronco. Got a lot of attention. This one is the two-door Big Bend. Retailed around $34,000. Already up for sale on the auction block later today. And that's a 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo SS, the Intimidator Special Edition package. And there we have a 1985 AMC Eagle Power Wagon. The main stage. And that's a 1960 Corvette Rat Racer. Expected to go for $300,000 to $600,000. A 1996 Mitsubishi Eclipse that was seen in the Fast and the Furious, driven by Paul Walker. Great crowd showed up at Kissimmee for the event.
24, 25, 26, 26,000, and 26,000.
The Michael Flux collection. And there's the 1960 Corvette. Like I said, expected to fetch big dollars. 1967 Shelby 427. Probably going to go for maybe just shy under $2 million. Another 57 Chevy Corvette race car. Check this out, 2021 Ferrari F8 Spider. Could fetch around $275,000. And a 2020 McLaren Speedtail. $2.2 million expected to fetch. And a 2016 Pagani Huayra. This one's expected to fetch maybe $2.4 million. nice Volkswagen, Westphalia, and Dodges were everywhere. Beautiful day, temperatures in the 70s. Corvette row. And the Dodge experience, where you can sit in the passenger seat.
One of only 853 produced in 1958. Got a 430, 360 horsepower engine, white leather interior, multi-range, front dual drive automatic transmission, no reserve.
Okay, well, there you have it. Just a quick preview of the 2022 Mecum Auto Auction in Kissimmee, Florida. Like and subscribe, and leave comments below. And catch you next time on 6:40 a.m. The Mix.